Class 10th Physical Activity Trainer Unit 1, Early Years Physical.
Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Physical Activity Trainer Class 10. Chapter Notes. By Sri Sham Books. Unit 1, Early Years Physical. Activity Facilitator, ages 3 to 8. Student-friendly slides for easy classroom explanation. What is Pay today? Pay is more than only sports. We explore football, basketball, yoga, deep breathing, martial arts, walking, hiking, and frisbee. Regular activity builds lifelong habits and supports health. Benefits: stronger bodies, healthier hearts, better focus, and happier moods. How movement helps you: body, mind, heart. Body: strength, balance, endurance. Mind: attention, memory, problem solving. Heart: confidence, teamwork, empathy. Meet your facilitator, PAF. Creates safe, joyful, inclusive sessions. Teaches age-appropriate skills in small steps. Encourages activity at home and after school. Works with teachers, parents, and the community. Fundamental movement skills. FMS. Locomotor, walk, run, hop, skip, jump. Object control, throw, catch, kick, strike. Stability, balance, twist, bend, turn. Learning goals this term, age 3 to 8. Age 3 to 4, start-stop on signal. 2-foot jump and soft landing, simple underarm throw, wait for turn. Age 5 to 6, heel-to-toe walk, hop either foot, toss catch with both hands, dribble with feet 5 to 7 m, follow two-step instructions. Age 7 to 8, skip pattern, overarm throw to target, receive a pass, find space and simple game roles. Program types: service, concepts, hygiene. Warm-up, cool-down, posture, food groups. Intramural, in-schoolhouse games, skill festivals. Extramural, friendly meets with nearby schools. Fitness and recreation, family fun runs, staff yoga, community dance. A typical lesson flow, 30 to 40 min. Arrival routine, to 2-3 greet, place bottles, safety rule. Warm-up, 3 to 5 animal walks shape tag. Skill focus, 10 to 12 show do feedback. Stations, 10 to 12 3 to 4 stations, rotate fast. Small-sided game, 5 to 6 apply today's skill. Cool down and reflection, to 2-3 breathe and stretch, to stars and a wish. Our class rules, easy too. Remember: safety first, stop on whistle, look where you move, water on signal. Fair play, take turns, share equipment, accept results. Respect, kind words, hands to self, encourage peers. Care for gear, carry, don't drag, return to spot. Spaces, stay inside cones, exits clear. Safety and inclusion. Check area and equipment before class, shade and water ready. Signals for transitions, freeze, switch station, come in. Include everyone, offer choices, adjust distance, size, time. Visual supports, color dots, arrows, picture rules. Risk management, simple. Identify PESIS control risks. Use checklists for ground, weather, exits, equipment. First aid kit ready, no indoor plan for extreme weather. Communicate and celebrate. Be approachable, listen actively, answer clearly. Give short, specific feedback and demo the skill. Celebrate small wins and effort every day. Activity: jumping monkeys. Goal: 2-foot jump, hop, lateral jump. Level 1, jump into flat rings, backward step out, lateral out and back. Level to circuit, 3 hoops to low hurdles. Rope ladder, 1 foot hops. Cues, land like a cat, rocket arms swing up. Activity, movement skills. Game 1, number call, run to grab ball and return untagged. Game 2, topple versus protect cones, 3 minutes bouts. Level up, use different locomotors, walk, hop, skip, jog, jump. Walking form, arm leg opposite, toes forward, heel to toe roll. Activity, throwing with force. Throw past lines at 7th October 2015 feet, more distance. Is equal to more force. Team game, clean your yard, fewest balls on your side wins. Cues, point, step, throw, follow through. Opposite foot forward. Activity, kick the ball. Tap top side back, roll in circles, ground kicks to 7th October 2015 feet. Pairs, kick stop kick, feet preferred, hands allowed to trap. Level up, running kick, cone targets, training arch. Activity, shape identifier. Music move freeze on a shape, name the shape and color. Teacher cues, tall small, bend stretch, turn right left. Level up, shape hopscotch, hop right then left, say the shape. Activity, toss the ball. Toss catch with both hands, a bounce catch, small circles. Center caller says a name, peer catches and rolls back. Level up, musical catch, cross throws while music plays, rotate to, catch it, group on stop. New, balance paths. Rope tape lines or foam beams, pause spots. Walk heel to toe beanbag on head. Eyes up. Target, 10 steps without stepping out. New, parachute play, if available. Games, mushroom raise lower, switch spots, cat and mouse. Skills, rhythm, teamwork, listening. Rules, no pulling, hold handles. Eyes on teacher signal. New, rhythm and dance. Pattern, clap clap step step twist, mirror partner, freeze statue. Learn tempo, slow fast, count beats, smile and express. Mini obstacle course. Stations, crawl tunnel cone weave target throw hoop jump finish flag. Use picture task cards at each station, icon plus 1 line. Assemblies we led, student led. Why, news, values, movement, student voice, celebrate days, ENV, literacy, Red Cross. Sample 15 minutes agenda, gather and prayer, 3, principle, 5, theme showcase, 5, anthem, 2. Theme ideas, hydration heroes, move in 1 meter space, kind words huddle. PTM, how parents help. Agenda, what we teach, your child's movement snapshot, safety, events, one-to-one, Q&A. Home movement calendar, more jumps, Tuesday toss catch, wet family walk 15 minutes, to hopscotch, Friday dance, weekend park play. Emergencies, keep calm, act. Smart. Conflict, pause play, listen, restate rule, reset roles, praise resolution. First aid, scene safe, calm child. Simple care, call help, document. CPR basics, staff unresponsive and not breathing normally call help AED start compressions, add breaths if trained. How we assess, quick and kind. Skill rubric, 1 to 4, description. 1. Needs help performs only with full support or hand over hand. 2. Emerging attempts skill with prompts and reminders. 3. Consistent performs correctly with few prompts. 4. Confident performs independently and can help peers. Sample weekly plan, ages 5 to 6. Checklists we use, teacher. Pre-class, area safe, equipment okay, water, first aid, roster. End class, head count, gear returned, incidents noted, next time notes. Equipment and no-cost hacks. Must-haves, soft balls, cones, flat rings, hoops, rope ladder, bean bags, whistles, first aid kit. DIY, paper plates, spots, chalk, lines, bottles, pins, scarves, visual cues, cardboard numbers, shapes. Let's reflect and keep moving. 2 stars and a wish, 2 things I did well, 1 thing to improve. Goal: move at least 20 minutes every day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Class Winner Books.